Ebusan for hi Ghana SMTVGH. Make sure like a comment, subscribe, then no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you notified. Ebusan for my first akonya also so I make just say a happy new month. Thank you for the journey so far, having been with us so far this year, first quarter of the year. Actually, now we are in the second quarter. Say whatever you were not able to achieve at the first quarter, mono. I achieve much more our second quarter. And thank you all who have stayed glued to Egan and Sam, who keep helping us, keep supporting us one way or the other. Ghana Sam deɛ ɛnyɛ blog kɛkɛ ɛnyɛ bloggers kɛkɛ dɛbi ɛyɛ mo amoba mo amu nuanom, right? And that's why we like to receive your feedback. We like to receive your input, and when we need your help also we demand for your help because ɛyɛ busua baako. Yo, busuafo ɛsɛ deɛ Muslims for the ma yɛ asɔfofoɔ woto. Yɛ papa osu bɛmpa Kofi Oduro mu kind of saying yɛ papa Archbishop Agyinasare. As for Archbishop Agyinasare kra deɛ nkɔfo mfa nkyɛn no kra because already ɛsi na asɔre no na yɛ government factory that was sold, right? And again, ɔno also na san yɛ Sam George church elder ɛwɔ na asɔre. Na san Sam George na sɛ yɛn ho sɛ na yɛn ho sɛ ɔyɛ double tanked ɔnka nokorɛ, right? N'asɛm nyɛ straight, right? Eti sɛ n'asɛm nyɛ straight na ɔyɛ elder wɔ asɔre bi mu a fingers will be pointed at nipa a ɔde ni no, right? Eti I see. Imagine, you say, Muslim for it is very, very hard for them to come out and criticize a cleric, and I say Obi Aoye Nyaminipa, and I say Malam or whatever. Because religion, they are taught tolerance, number one. Number two, they are taught respect. And Matthew said there's an aspect of the Quran that I say, send you a Quran, bisa a Christopher. So they have that respect for Christianity. But you see, who said, debut, enough is enough. Nama e koso no. Sema e asofo adi no. Enye kra. Enye. Omutumi gangi up. Edi dia Dr. Mamudu Baumia. So you're Muslim ninti. Enye se oye kronfo. Enye se oye humanizer. Enye se onim dio. Debut. Just say oye kremoni keke. That is why they ganged up against him. That you all went to lay hand on Muhammad, pray for Muhammad. And some of you, move free how we after taking money, and I'm going to story them, and I'm going to catch them for say, so more name that I'm going to about Muhammad, Baumia, Webo Mudia. Crawford cracked me the sick kind, and they call my sorry them. I'm sorry for not so sick and way the bodia. The ball more muhundia said, so moon and I'm going to about MPP, say any sense. It's nice. What did you gain? Just your selfish interest. Pesamenko menya. Unko out in a car nimo. Big gas moenti. And no. Unye odifu ni. Prophet ni. Apostle ni. Na ye den. And no. The car no unsi waka ni mjomana. And at the end of the day, Johnny Bibria amudi. Quality food amudi. And the moon call wash. So what is the essence? Why do you sell the conscience? Your conscience, why do you sell it? For material gains. Which material gains, Krana? If you serve God diligently, He can give it to you. Because already you are doing well for yourselves. You have a church membership of 4,000, 10,000, 8,000, 6,000. Then bio na musa here. Then bio. the way on mine no ekɔ say no emude. And then I had to go and buy power bank. Mushwe bushamfo mushwe. Sika kakra Ghana same TV GH4 bi. E dey send me say me so me fan to credit. Na me fan didi no. Me da koto power bank. Adentia. Senye power bank I mean to me record the video we. Bare 3 days no light. Bare 2 days no light. Oh, dang. Oh. Before then, Moamunim say, me just send me to money about your studio. But say you movie free. We me single room muna meet you. Me single room. The mpano ani and I made a corner with me every year we juma go nam. And sometimes also go for more around almost over MPP ni. And it's not really too good. Can say my landlord say to me sorry na or catch me say or NDC ni rent not me too much anyhow because me MPP ni India na media hands here ejuma ni India enti na yesi na crofo bi so o person be join kana sem no na yem boa MPP right but yeah omutumi ba me dem de bia sa right one some mini privacy bia
say Bible mu no min kai kra no say na me kan me convert me fi Islam na me call Christianity mu me pese we asema me ke me pese obi e me wie na obi submission oba be kan bibia fa ma asem no me sere mo pa say that me kan initially say me fi Islam mu na me call Christianity mu no e na me ko hu all this manner of hypocrisy nya atwoma e ma me to oba ha ne ade no. You see, in the Bible there was a Nathan, a brother David. I said, Odi Bonnie or Bonnie. There was a Nathan. Me, personally, I think say I am going to be the Nathan for Lawrence Tete. Dr. Lawrence Tete. And then for because I am basing my argument on some of can say people are coward. He called some of these men of God, and you see, on my way, the real men of God now, mende. They are the meekest. The they are the true men of God in this country. But Reverend or Dr. Lawrence Tete stood on a pulpit, called all of them hypocrites and cowards. He called all these noble men hypocrites and cowards because they knew what they knew. Sir, your friend said the real men of God knew. Say, sir, and Tokana Sam George Aircono, and now says, and Tokana Makofabano. Na ehun hia. And so Papa we begina the pulpit so efro mu nyina hypocrites. And he is showering praises on this government. And that is why I have a problem with him. Memeti amom no what will record the comma Dr. Lawrence Tete say me si onu nti mabemu agu me nkwa asori biom. Yes, and I know there are a lot of people like us. There are lots like me. Almost I feel so disappointed in Christianity today. And me kasa from a certain angle, because the trajectory of my life is a different ball game. You see, Dr. Lawrence Tete, you are a hypocrite. It's either you are a hypocrite or you've been a politician in Kasok all this while. We demand accountability from you. Because you cannot tell me, say, President Mahama, in fact, in Nanado's time, the other men of God were cowards. No more ye hufo, no more ye nyachumfo. And now, you, President Mahama, the coward of a president that we have today, the weakling of a president that we have today, have won your heart. It means you've been a hypocrite all this while. You have been a hypocrite. You never had any principle as a man of God. And that is why I'm saying, say Bible mu David, David, bonne no so onya Nathan mani be yi natanya. Me, Khadija Ama Williams, I am your Nathan wa today. And I will keep calling you out until you come and speak on the LGBTQ. Because I will catch Nanado. Say Nanado yenyachuma. Say Nanado really didn't want to sign. Nimpana who propagate his propaganda ne man na babemu. Na obabemu. No kase no to say the bill never got to Nanado in the first place. And you are still there. And the only thing you can do is to sing praises for your friend say His Excellency Muhammad. That means you are a hypocrite. That means you lack principle. That means you are a hypocrite. We will call all of you out. And Reverend Duncan Williams, Papa, Papa, sir, hello, sir, Archbishop, sir, please, if you want to call NDC out, chest out as a man that you are and call them out. What is all this? You people are behaving like mushrooms. You are behaving like vegetables today because NDC is in power and we are tired of that hypocrisy. We are tired of the hypocrisy today. We will be tired of it tomorrow till Mahama leaves power. Duncan Williams, if you want to call the government of the day out, be bold enough as a man as you were in Anado's tenure and call them out. We will not take that equalization spree now, mountain. That equalization drama now, we will not take it. Call them out. You know, say they don't have the capacity. Yes, I'm George. He never worked before he went into governance. It is okay the top black one. They never worked before they went into governance. So they are the people who lack capability to be in governance. But you see, you sold your conscience as a man of God. You sold your conscience as a man of God. You sold your credibility. You have your reputation dangling in the mud, so you cannot call them out. You are hypocrites. All of you lack principles, and we'll call you out. Me, when I start talking, I have every right because I was in the other world. I migrated to your world, so I know what I'm talking about. And just as you people will know, my moon status our drama, more spiritual drama, and it will not work on some of us.
Need me pacho to asuma
Ode gidi
affection.
gidi ina ode gidi ina wa no wo ejo wo bia pam e won wa pam ho eh
Affection affected. The virus
obana
has
musuo
affected her. Hey, how many?
no bet the one to lady see to the attention so one leda lady see move take to ina no me anjo so say the I don't know then baby akisa again ya church ya obi a akodi ya ma nkira se me fa ma woni ande ko hana hwehwe wo mo na mo ba debate
Me, yati ya be prepare ko.
o tu bet ma ba be debate le bi say be say say ma akuya wa ya ma mo ya mo very intelligent o me di ma stand we bia we just so called guys no say temo mo de na mo mra na mo ko debate le bi wo ya debate no it really helps you to gather information also try to update yourself as far as politics is concerned. Yeah. And a topic in there, I said, those one lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, LGBTQ. Obama na de kwasa so yin na ba. Nkanyo Obama nka de yin na nka we. There's a kukom. On the aba. Your Obama a denied the honorary doctorate degree, no. Me I don't say the else. Declare the stand. It's interesting. Eventually, someone will go kind of Kofi Oduro. Was it so far as and say if majority of Ghanaians are going to oppose it, you know, he's also going to oppose it. He can't hesitate by signing that document, you know. Then I don't a man for for the matter to the Supreme Court. That causes the delay answers. Go by the time Supreme Court the decision over the Beba. Now it's too late. And so a more board cases up you know about to go here. Nti Kofi Antoine to Aba thinking say this government since they won one any opposition say they then opposition minority scout busy with all that kind of the body that kind of was in the stamina was sing just try to make Ghanaian to feel say they are really fighting champion the cost of cancer or democracy mobile into power then you here surprisingly say baby I had to swim. And it's very so very sad. I'm buying to part the only justification is okay, Sarah Pell, you know, I ended with the last parliament, you know. There's no way they can revisit the bill.